So lighting is one of the most crucial elements to adding that final polish to your videos. It's something that's usually not thought about, but lighting can essentially make or break a shoot. So when Mcoplus reached out to me to test out their 1000B LED panel, I said, why not? This is the Mcoplus 1000B, and it retails for around $40 on Amazon right now. You can find the link in the description below if you want to purchase it. So what this is a portable lighting solution that you can mount to virtually any hot shoot. It has 160 individual LEDs, half of which are dimmable and are of 32,000 Kelvin, and the other half are also dimmable of 5,500 Kelvin. So you can get two different types of lighting moods from this. Here are some shots comparing the Mcoplus light versus just ambient lighting in the room. You can see that the panel diffuses the light quite nicely and it's not harsh against the subject. And additionally, the Kelvin that the LEDs are set to are very pleasing for skin tones. So if you're doing a shoot for an interview, anything really, this is a really good solution. If you're looking for something to light up your shoots while shooting outside, this is a good solution as well. The dimmable LEDs make it easy to get the perfect amount of lighting that can be worked with in post and creates a nice spread that lights your shoots as well. The package comes with the panel, a single Sony MP-FM-QM lithium battery, which is pretty standard, and a hot shoe connector. The panel is around the size of an iPad mini and features various connection ports all along the sides, allowing the user to create a grid of these lights if needed. In the front, the light also has slots allowing the user to put in different light gels so they can get different moods from the lighting as well. On the rear, you have the battery port, the dimmable knobs, and also a battery power indicator, which is very useful for those outdoor shoots. If you want to use this as a studio light also, it has a power adapter port as well. Overall, the quality of this light is very good for the price that it comes at. It gives the user, dynamic lighting solutions for their shoots and really doesn't break the bank, and I think you should check them out. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. You can find a link again in the description below for this light, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.